Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to make this tablet, in this case I have, you can make your phone as well, into an extra external monitor for your computer. It is fairly easy. You go to the browser and you type spacedesk.net like this. A link will be in description. And in this case, we're going to go and download one for Windows 10. And while we do this one, we'll do the same on our Android, in this case, that I have here. And you type Space Desk and search for Space Desk. It's this first one that has the same logos. Install it. And here we're going to get the one that's for Windows 10 or 11 64-bit, because that's what I have right now. Wait for it to download, and when it's done downloading, as you see, you hit here and install it. Here, don't show again, and here, when you're ready, it will show you which computer is on the network. As you see right now, it says Omni, because I already have my computer on the same network. But here, I'm going to want to install it and connect it with this one here. And we hit install, hit yes, minimize that one. And once this is installed, because this laptop is connected to the same wireless network as this tablet, so it should show up here. And as you saw there, it changed, and now it's showing up. I click finish here, and let me connect to my desktop right here. Connect the display, and we are right here. So now we have two displays. And as you see, I took the mouse here. I can click here, and right now it's a second monitor. Let's say, for example, I have my browser here, right? Well, what if I want to take this browser from here to here? As you see, and I can use it right here. For example, let's say you're doing something on your computer and you don't want to have another extra mouse and keyboard. Well, this one right here has it all. That same window, and drop it to your desktop back in where you had it, and that's all. And you can create new windows here, as you see. Let me click refresh. Hit refresh. You can do everything that you would do with a regular computer. You can mirror the window as well if you want to, by clicking Windows logo NP. And right now, let me open a new window here on our secondary screen and take it here. And let me type something, for example, youtube.com. And as you see, it's loading YouTube as if it's a different screen here. I can scroll, and it can operate just as if you had an extra monitor. Let me search for Omnitech right here. Why not, right? Click Omnitech here. We click one of the videos, and boom, you're good to go. You're in business. You can make this have its own sound as well. You go here, hit audio, and if I raise the volume here, and as you see it, the sound is coming from here now, which is really interesting to have this kind of nice and powerful tool actually at your disposition. And it's for free. It's free. You don't need anything else. You can have a keyboard as well if you want to, for example. Let me put here, let me delete this part here. LTT. We hit enter. And here we go. Here's Linus talking. So I don't think you can find anything better than this to enjoy your extra monitor. And if you have an extra phone, you can do the same with a phone. It works likewise with Windows, with Android, and with Apple. And with that said, That's all I had to tell you today and show you. I hope you got some value or some knowledge from this tutorial we did today. And with that said, we will see you next time. And if you subscribe, would be greatly appreciated. That said, bye.